Will I be able to learn English language within 3 months? क्या ये मुमकिन है कि मैं 2 महीनों में सीख जाऊं? क्या ये मुमकिन है कि मैं 6 महीनों में, 12 महीनों में सीख जाऊं? Yeah, well, it depends. Why not? It is possible. Let me give you a simple example. I'm talking to you guys that I was not fluent in English language. I just started English. I was talking to myself. People were making fun of me. They were saying you're a stupid person. I'm talking about पागलपन. मैं इंशाल्लाह ये जो है ना डिस्कस कर लूँगा किस तरह लोग अंग्रेजी में पागल हो जाते हैं. मैं डिस्कस कर लूँगा. But you will have to talk to yourself. If there is no one, talk to yourself. Now, I'm taking exercise. I'm jumping. I'm writing something on the board. Why not to go there tomorrow? What's going on there? What's going on there? What I was talking about? Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself, right? When I'm walking on a way, अब मैं पागलपन के बारे में कुछ कहूँगा. जब मैं रास्ते में जाता हूँ ना, मैं अंग्रेजी से बात करता हूँ. ये जो इंग्लिश है ना, I'm talking to English language. मैं इस तरह सोचता हूँ कि ये इंग्लिश मेरा दोस्त है. I'm talking to English. Hey English, how are you doing? Fine. I want to make a new lecture. I really like you. I love to learn you, right? मैं अंग्रेजी से बात करता हूँ. And to be honest, I feel like this that English is gonna give me a response as well. कि English भी मुझे response देता है. If I say I watch dreams in English, you won't believe this. How do you watch dreams in English? But this is possible. मैं अंग्रेजी में ख्वाब जो है ना, मैं अंग्रेजी में ख्वाब ही देखता हूँ. अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करोगे, a time will come that you will also watch dreams in English. Sure. So, I'm talking to you guys about पागलपन. लोग कहते हैं कि ये शख्स दीवाना हो चुका है, अपने साथ अंग्रेजी में बात करता है. कभी कभार घर में लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि यार तुझे क्या हुआ है? What happened to you? You are talking in English when you're walking, sitting, going. What are you doing? So this is all about पागलपन, okay? People will say you're mad, but actually you are talking to yourself. अपने इंग्लिश को जो है ना प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो. After that, what about your practice duration? Many people often ask this question that I want to learn English language. Will I be able to learn English language within 3 months? क्या ये मुमकिन है कि मैं 2 महीनों में सीख जाऊं? क्या ये मुमकिन है कि मैं 6 महीनों में, 12 महीनों में सीख जाऊं? Yeah, well, it depends. Why not? It is possible. Let me give you a simple example. आप अपनी जिंदगी में एक गोल सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो और उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए आप 1 घंटा मेहनत कर रहे हो. You're doing hard work for 1 hour a day for achieving your goal, which is already selected by you. अब आप 1 साल में ये गोल अचीव कर रहे हो. If you work hard for 1 hour a day, you will achieve your target just in 1 year. अब अगर आप अपने 1 घंटे को 2 घंटों में तब्दील करोगे, if you will add just 1 hour to your target, to your practice duration, 1 घंटे के बजाय 2 घंटा हो जाएगा. So क्या होगा? You should be able to achieve your target just in 6 months. आप 6 महीनों में इसे अचीव कर सकते हो. अब अगर आप अपने प्रैक्टिस को 3 घंटों तक बढ़ाओगे ना, if you want to increase your practice duration from 2 to 3 hours, definitely you should be able to achieve your target just in 4 months. अब इस तरह अगर 4 महीनों में 4 घंटे, so आपका टारगेट कितने महीनों में होगा? 4 months में, right? No, 3 months में, sorry. अब अगर इस तरह है ना 2 घंटों में, so आपका टारगेट 6 तक आ जाएगा. इस तरह 1 घंटे में आपका टारगेट जो है ना 12 घंटे, 12 घंटे, सॉरी. अगर 12 घंटे है ना, so आपका टारगेट जो है ना 1 साल तक. Okay, let me explain it again. In English. If you want to achieve your target just in 1 year, right? What will you do? You will have to work hard for 1 hour a day, okay? If you work hard for 1 hour a day, you should be able to achieve your target just in 1 year. Now, if you want to increase your practice duration, you're working hard for 2 hours a day. You should be able to achieve your target just in 6 months. Now, if you want to work hard for 3 hours a day, you are able to achieve your target just in 4 months. If you increase your practice duration from 3 to 4, you should be able to achieve your target just in 3 months. If you want to increase your duration from 4 to 5 hours, you should be able to achieve your target just in 2.5 months. If you want to add 1 hour, right, from 5 to 6, you should be able to achieve your target just in 2 months. Same, it's happening here with all of you as well. जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा मेहनत करोगे, right, उतना आप लोग सीख पाओगे. If I talk about myself, I've been practicing English language for 14-15 years. And for last 5-4 years, I've been practicing it for 14-15 hours a day. पिछले 4-5 सालों से मैं रोजाना 14-15 घंटे मेहनत करता हूँ अंग्रेजी में, प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, बोलता हूँ, सोचता हूँ, right? Because early in the morning I go to the university. I'm a student of BS English. So वहाँ पर माहौल जो ना अंग्रेजी का होता है, मैं सीखता हूँ. After that, I take classes with my students. एकेडमी में जब मैं क्लासेस लेता हूँ वो भी इंग्लिश, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस 6 से लेकर रात के 2 बजे तक वो भी इंग्लिश। सो डेफिनेटली मैं 14-15 घंटे रोजाना अंग्रेजी में मेहनत करता हूँ, कभी कभार 17 घंटे, राइट। जब मैं इतना प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ ना, डेफिनेटली आई शुड बी एबल टू लर्न इंग्लिश, आई शुड बी एबल टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश। आफ्टर दिस वी हैव रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स। अब मैं आप लोगों को समझाना चाहता हूँ कि रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल से प्रैक्टिस का फायदा क्या होगा, हम किस तरह प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। Listen to me for a while. Now, if a new student is coming here and he's from Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, this example is for all of you. जब आप लोग सऊदीया जाते हो ना, for the first time when you go to UK, Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, anywhere else, you can't speak Arabic language. They say yalla, naam, la, right? masbuka ya akhi aina anta. You can't respond. You say what are they talking about? जब आपका टाइम हो जाता है ना, आप वहाँ पर अरबिक जो है ना खुद ब खुद बोल जाते हो, न ग्रामर न कोई और चीज, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस। आप लोग मजबूर हो कि प्रैक्टिस करो और आप लोग खुद बहुत जो है ना अभी बोलने के लायक बन जाते हो। इसी तरह अगर आप लोग अंग्रेजी में भी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, सबसे पहले ये अंग्रेजी बोलना मुश्किल होता है, 2-3 हफ्तों के लिए आप लोग सिर्फ जो है ना सुनोगे, उसके बाद रिस्पॉन्स इस तरह होगा। लेकिन a time will come that you will speak English very easily and fluently, inshallah. But if you work hard, if you practice English. After this, let me give you another example. Do you know about a well-known fighter, Bruce Lee? Right? He was a well-known fighter, Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee said that I do not afraid of a man who learned 10,000 kicks, but I afraid of a man who practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Lee का कहना है कि मैं उस शख्स से नहीं डरता जो 10,000 लाख सीख चुका है, लेकिन मैं उस शख्स से डरता हूँ जो 1 लाख को 10,000 बार प्रैक्टिस करता है। We can speak English very easily when we say how are you? How are you? Fine. How are you? What's your name? What do you do? Where are you from? ये छोटे छोटे जुमले हम बहुत आसानी से बोलते हैं क्योंकि हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। अब अगर हम मुश्किल जुमलों को, पैराग्राफ्स को भी इस तरह प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, अंग्रेजी में थिंकिंग करेंगे, हम इस लायक बन जाएंगे कि जिस तरह हम हाउ आर यू बोलते हैं ना, उसी तरह अंग्रेजी में और भी जो जुमले होते हैं ना वो भी पर के हम बोलेंगे। We will talk in English fluently if we practice English like how are you, right? After this, let me give you another examples. If you have been watching cricket for 5-6 years, you're just watching cricket. Point to be noted. You do not play cricket. So I have a question here in my brain. Will you be able to play like those players who are playing in the ground if you're just watching? No, you will never play like those players who are playing in the ground because you have been watching just. Now, if you will hold a ball, right, bat, and you're going to practice cricket, ball, bat, whatever, for the first time you'll make a lot of mistakes. If you're throwing the ball wide, 6 runs, sometimes a batsman will hit 6 sixes in the over, but do not think about that, right? Yeah, you will have to learn something from your mistakes. Then a time will come, you will swing the ball, in swing, out swing. You should be a good bowler. Why you practice your bowling, you practice your own batting way, definitely you are a good bowler and batsman. Same is happening here with English as well. If I talk about English language, sometimes people say just listen and listen and listen. No, if you're listening English, it will help you, but it will never help you to speak English confidently and fluently. Let's suppose you have been listening English language for 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. Till that time, you will never speak when you are not going to practice English language. If you practice, definitely उस वक्त आप लोग जो है ना नहीं बोल सकते, तब तक आप लोग खुद ब खुद जो है ना कोशिश नहीं करोगे। If you start English language right now, you're a beginner, you'll make a lot of mistakes. Do not think about it. Yeah, it's happening. It's a part of learning English language. Once you will make mistake twice, thrice, it takes time. Inshallah, time will come. You should be able to speak English fluently, confidently. We are not native speakers. ना English कुरान की जो है ना आयत है, हम इसको जो है ना वही प्रोनाउंस करेंगे जिस तरह कुरान में फा होता है, कुल इन कुंतुम तुहिब्बून अल्लाह फत्तबिऊनी युहिब्बुकुमुल्लाह, हा फा था। नो make a lot of mistakes. British accent, American accent, पहले accent, grammar, grammatical structure, forget about it. आप लोग सिर्फ speaking किया करो. जब आप लोग speaking करोगे ना खुद ब खुद इंशाल्लाह accent, American accent, British accent, today, everything it's gonna be all right. Don't worry about it, right? अगर आप लोग आज today बोल रहे हो, फिर एक वक्त आ जाएगा today, tomorrow, right? Do you wanna get a glass of water? Bottle of water. ये सब कुछ जो है ना इंशाल्लाह खुद ब खुद आपके ज़बान पर होगा. You will never think about the tense, you will never think about the structures. आप खुद ब खुद जो है ना सीख पाओगे. Let me give you another example. If you're driving a car for the first time, you should think about the accelerator, brake. You will be thinking, where is the brake, where is the accelerator, how to drive this, what about the gear, should I increase or decrease? A lot of questions should be here in your brain. लेकिन अगर आप इस गाड़ी को बार बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे, ड्राइव करोगे, a time will come, you will smoke, you will look here and there, right? You will talk to your friends. Automatically, you will press the accelerator, brake, clutch, right, gear, increase, decrease, everything. It will happen at the same time. Why? How it is possible? Due to practice. अगर आप लोग इसी तरह अंग्रेजी को भी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, if you practice English like this, then there is no need to think about the grammar. There is no need to think about the first, second, third form of verb. Directly and automatically, verbs should be here on the tip of your tongue. You will just speak. Hey, how are you doing? Where are you from? I've been teaching English for a long time. I have gone to Bazaar. I. No need to think. Directly, verbs, grammatical structures, it should be here on the tip of your tongue. So, if you have any question, you can ask from me. And now we will have a conversation class for 50 to 60 minutes, inshallah. And come discuss this topic with each other. Okay? Thank you for watching.